Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enter referral code in Bitget. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget app and then you just have to log in into your account. On the home page, you are going to see various options like reward, pre-market, etc. So among these options, you will have to tap on rewards. Once done, you will be landed on this rewards page where you are going to see the points that you have claimed, as well as you are going to see this invite friends option. So if you tap on it, invite friends, you will be able to see your referral link in the bottom. If you tap on the invite button in the bottom, then you are going to see your referral code. So you can copy this referral code and you can share it with your friends. If you want to share the link, then you can copy the link, or you can use any of the social media applications over here, and then you can directly share your referral code with your friends or family members. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.